Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, violet color, light green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Light green color. A for avocado. Violet color. B for box. Orange color. C for candy. Pink color. D for doll. Red color. E for egg. Dark blue color. F for flowers. Dark green color. G for grapes. Black color. H for hat. Orange color. I for ice. Sky blue color. J for juice. Red color. K for king. Purple color. L for lion. Dark blue color. M for moon. Brown color. N for nuts. Yellow color. O for owl. Orange color. P for parrot. Sky blue color. Q for queen. Pink color. R for rose. Red color. S for subscribe. Subscribe my channel. Dark green color. T for tree. Black color. U for umbrella. Brown color. V for violin. Dark blue color. W for water. Sky blue color. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y for yum. Black color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.